Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla, and please do subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon for all, and you will receive all notifications from my channel. And here is information from Coursera program, and I'm just logging with my college account, and here I'll get notification from Coursera that we hope you will be enjoying the courses we have taken so far and Coursera and hope you will continue to enjoy the courses we offer. We are currently moving to a new program that we allow to take in one free course per year. That means we are get one free course per complete year, and you'll also only have unlimited access to guided project. The guided project means Coursera project network courses. This may be available after during the transition period. That may be taken from 15 days to 3 months or more days, and we will send you an email once transition completed. This period, after completion of this period, we'll get an email from Coursera that they are said the transition period is completed, and you're going to do all guided projects. That means the Coursera project network courses. And just I'm going to my account, my personal account. This may contain of a lot of courses which are already enrolled previously, that means before September 30. These courses are available in my YouTube channel. Sorry, not available in my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my channel, activate the bell icon. And here a video like this video contains the list of courses. In this description, list of courses that are already enrolled and ready to do. These are totally 26 courses I am going to do from now onwards. These courses which are already have done in my YouTube channel, you can check it out. And here the courses already done but not in video. I am going to do these 3 courses also, and comment me below which course do you already enrolled and going to do. That may easy to do courses more accurately and more efficiently. And here we can go to lot of courses which are unlimited access for previously enrolled courses. You just do reset the deadlines, that's it. And here we are moving to my personal website, that is ismailbajarla.ejyro.com. This website is not modified. I am going to modify these all websites, and you will get all notifications from here, this website, and you will get all the services about contact about me. And this contains 26 courses. You have it out, I think. I am going to do all these courses, and if possible, send me or contact me in the below description links that what course do you require, and if you can give me your account and password, I am going to do you that course for you. And thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon for all updates.